Hello, my name is Morrissette, and I am a current Bachelor of Science candidate for psychology with a concentration in public health. I will be presenting my research on the relationship between physical activity and cognitive functioning in older Black women. Sydney Kirven, Kwame Jackson, and Dr. Amy Thierry collaborated with me on this project. Cognitive functioning is essential for living a longer and healthier life for aging adults. According to the Alzheimer's Association, approximately 6.2 million adults ages 65 years or older have Alzheimer's disease. This figure is projected to grow to 12.7 million by 2050. Women are 2 times more likely to develop Alzheimer's or other dementias, and African Americans are 2 times more likely to have Alzheimer's or other dementias than whites. More research is needed to understand how health related behaviors may contribute to healthy cognitive functioning among older Black women. Previous studies have shown that physical activity is associated with delayed onset of cognitive decline. However, African American women report relatively low rates of physical activity. Our research aims to explore the association between physical activity and cognitive functioning in older Black women. We also compared this relationship by residents in the South versus those who live in other regions of the US. We hypothesize that engaging in physical activity will be associated with better cognitive functioning in older Black women. We assessed data from the 2014 and 2016 waves of the Health and Retirement Study. The analytic sample included 653 Black women ages 65 years and older. Cognitive functioning was measured using the 35-point telephone interview for cognitive status, which encompasses immediate and delayed word recall and overall mental status. Higher scores indicated better cognitive functioning, and physical activity was measured using a dichotomous variable indicating engagement in light or moderate physical activity, which includes tasks such as household chores, walking at a moderate pace, or stretching exercises. We regressed cognitive functioning on physical activity, then stratified models by Southern residents. We found that older Black women who engaged in light to moderate physical activity have better cognitive functioning compared to those who never were active. Older Black women living in the South have poorer cognitive functioning compared to Black women who do not live in the South. Our findings suggest that older Black women who engaged in physical activity, even at lower intensities, have better cognitive functioning. However, this association was not found only for Black women living in the South. No relationship between physical activity and cognitive functioning was found among Black women residing in the South. It is increasingly important to protect our Asian population, particularly African Americans, because they are at higher risk for chronic diseases and other disparities. Public health science should continue to explore how social determinants are implicated in the higher rates of cognitive decline, including Alzheimer's disease and other dementias among older Black women. Then, community based organizations can begin developing interventions that promote physical activity and other healthy behaviors that can be developed for Black women to feel supported and cared for as they age. This becomes pivotal for shaping future generations. Future research using population level analyses looking at inflammation, food, culture in the South, and the association with cognition outcomes will help to further develop interventions for older Black women.